Look no further because the Colorado Dining Set by Elements International has everything from storage to counter height dining. This collection is perfect for small and large groups with a removable leaf that can extend or shorten the length of the table. Nestled underneath the tabletop, you'll find an extra storage space concealed behind beautiful doors in the base. And you can access it from either side of the table for ease of use. You'll adore the comfort of these foam-filled padded seat stools decorated with ladder backs to add contemporary style. This collection is offered with 4 stools and a bench, or 6 stools. Extend your dining experience with a bench that houses spacious storage under the seat. This collection has been crafted to emphasize the natural imperfections and characteristics of the wood. This is the last dining set you may ever need. Make sure to check out the server in the Colorado Dining Collection by Elements. The 36-inch counter height dining table seats 6 comfortably with the leaf in. This table offers plenty of room for even the largest of family get-togethers. The table measures a full 78 inches in length with the leaf in and 60 inches with the leaf removed. The tabletop is 42 inches deep and a height of 36 inches. The stools measure 19 inches wide by 21 inches deep and overall height of 42 inches. The matching bench measures 48 inches wide by 17 inches deep and a height of 25 inches. The Colorado Dining Set by Elements is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a comfortable casual addition to the dining area of their dreams.